All right, I am all about saving a buck. I recently bought these shavers. If you've got a haircut that you need to do, like maybe a kid or a dog or yourself, hopefully this video can help you out. We're going to be reviewing this electric corded shavers, electric trimmer here. It's got a great ergonomic grip to it, very comfortable, and it kind of, this company, Remington's branding this particular one is very durable, right? I wouldn't say it's made of steel or anything like that, and I certainly wouldn't get it anywhere close to water, but for the most part, it's a pretty solid shavers. Now let's review this thing. We'll get it started. We're actually going to put it to use here, and you can see, listen to some of my comments and some of my opinions on this thing, but this is what it looks like brand new, wrapped up out of the box. Everything seems to be packaged really well. It even comes with this cool little, the little haircut cloth that they put over you when you go into the store to get a haircut, right? And by the way, I'm all about saving a buck. This is why I'm shaving my own dog today. So instead of $60 at the groomers, and I'm happy to pay that money. They do a great job every time, but I am trying to save some money here. So, a $30 do-it-yourself investment might, even if I have to bring him to the groomer, in a year as opposed to 3 times a year, that's going to come out. I'm going to come out ahead on that. Now, these are all the accessories that it comes with, some lubrication, scissors, a variety of attachments, the depth attachments for it, and whatnot. So it's got a little guard here. You just pop that off. And everything seems to be well made. This is not a cheap company. It might be made abroad, for example, but this is a name brand in the shaving business industry that's been around for quite some time. So that's, I think, very helpful. So this is what it looks like. Again, brand new. You're not going to get one that's damaged or, well, I can't promise anything, but I feel really good that this is not some used, piece of equipment that I bought new on Amazon. Very high quality right off the bat. It's dense, and you don't have to worry about a battery either dying over time. I got burned on my last one. I bought one 2 years ago, and it lasted a good, almost 2 years. It just wouldn't hold a charge anymore, right? It was, I thought it got great reviews actually, but it just kaputted on me for whatever reason. And maybe I got a bad one. But anyway, I decided to go corded this time because I didn't want to have to deal with charging it up each time. Or maybe mid-cut, I needed to stop and charge it while my dog's sitting there waiting. So these are the parts. If you need to take these out ever, it's really simple to do. But I don't anticipate needing that. But if you're curious what it looks like under the hood, there we go. Now we're going to get that put back together, and we'll get it actually booted up for you. Before we do, here are the guards. There's a variety of depths that you can buy, and it does come with this travel case, which I'm not planning on traveling with it, but it is nice to have it contained as opposed to the box that it came in, for example, the cardboard box. So here's the dog, the hound, the pooch. Say hello. He's getting pretty shaggy. He's a good boy. Let's see how he does here. All right. Now, I actually don't use the guard with him because I don't want to do this often. So, again, I'm a huge cheapskate with my money and my time. So I want to do this once, even if he looks, well, shaved, bald or pretty close for a few days until it starts growing in a little bit more. It means I don't have to do it as frequently. So here it is in use. I know, he's being such a good boy. So we're going with the hair, and that's cutting pretty well. We can also go against the hair. Now, this hair is so incredibly dense. If it can handle cutting a dog's hair, then it can handle cutting human hair, for example. almost guaranteed. I haven't tested it, but I know for a fact my hair or my kid's hair isn't even remotely as dense. So this is taking quite a bit of time. I'm also not a pet groomer, but it handles the job pretty easily. Now around some of those knuckle and knee joint areas, we are using the scissors. But anyway, highly recommended shavers. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks.